What is up guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new to the channel, be sure to like the video and leave any comments or suggestions below, and also subscribe to the channel. I have been using the S9 Plus as my daily driver for the last 3 years, and we're going to look at how far this device has come in 2021. The display. Even in 2021, I feel like this display just holds up. Yup, the hole punch might be the new thing, but it's rare to find a display as such in the S9 Plus in today without a hole punch or a notch. It's a good display and gets your work done. Talking about the cameras, I think so this is one of the important aspect of the phone and it serves as a good camera phone, but it might not be as refined as the newer phones. As you can see from the samples in artificial lighting, it does a great job. When it comes to the night mode, it is actually good one, but still it is grainy, and compared to the newer competition, it is comparatively behind. When it comes to the outdoor photos, it actually takes great outdoor photos, natural lighting. I have also taken a 4K as well as a 1080p video recording sample to show you guys. To be honest, I don't really find a great difference between the 4K as well as the 1080p footage. When it comes to the camera app, it is fully jam-packed with features. You have Pro Video mode, you have Pro Camera, you have Live Focus, you have Sports, you have Hyperlapse, you have Super Slow-Mo, you have Slow-Mo. I think so this is one of the best camera apps around. Like compared to anything like an iPhone, it just has so many features. The battery doesn't last as much long as it used to. Now it's not terrible, but it's okay, and compared to when the phone was brand new, it has obviously come down. And most probably if I am going to use it for a few more years, most probably I'll have to replace the battery. And that's it about the battery. Like obviously it's supposed to be a thing that actually degrades over time, so that's that. Now talking about the performance, for me it has been fine. When coming to the performance department, like mostly I use the device for listening to music, transferring some files, and messaging, so all those things are kind of an ease on the device, and I don't think so it kind of lags or stutters in these areas. Maybe if you are gonna push it further harder, maybe it might stutter a lot, like for example like gaming for a long period of time or video editing. I might actually give you varying results on the device. At the end of the day, this phone is completely just usable even in 2021, and I don't really see a huge need to upgrade to the newer phones. And the only two reasons might be actually for the cameras of the newer phones or for a battery. And battery, it is kind of explanatory. If you're going to use the device for a longer period, the battery is going to degrade. And only thing I feel like kind of a letdown is that this phone is completely ready for something like Android 11 or even the newly announced Android 12, and it could actually run those things. It's kind of funny that the very old iPhone 6s can run iOS 14, and this device cannot run the latest Android 11. But obviously there are workarounds and ROMs which you can utilize for having a much better experience on this device. At the end of the day, I feel this device is completely okay for me for one more year. That's it guys for this video, and if you like what you saw and you want more videos like this, or you have any suggestions like on the content of the channel, you can comment below. So that's it for this video, and see you guys in the next video.